Jupiter, the fifth planet from the Sun, is the largest in our solar system, a gas giant made mostly of hydrogen and helium. With a diameter of about 86,881 miles, 139,822 kilometers, it's more than 11 times wider than Earth and could fit over 1,300 Earths inside it. Jupiter's Great Red Spot is a massive storm that's been raging for centuries, big enough to fit 2 or 3 Earths inside. The planet also has over 79 known moons, including the Galilean moons, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, discovered by Galileo in 1610. Ganymede is the largest moon in the solar system, even bigger than Mercury. Jupiter rotates faster than any other planet, completing a spin in just 10 hours, which makes it slightly flattened at the poles and bulging at the equator. Its colorful cloud bands in shades of white, orange, red, and brown are created by various gases in its atmosphere. Jupiter also has the strongest magnetic field, which shields it from cosmic rays and solar winds. Multiple spacecraft, including Pioneer 10, Voyager 1, and Galileo, have visited Jupiter. The Juno mission is currently providing valuable data on its atmosphere and magnetic field. Future missions, especially to Europa, aim to explore its hidden ocean, which could support life. Unlike Earth's rocky surface, Jupiter is a gas giant with no solid surface, enormous size, unique storms, and many moons, making it a very different planet in our solar system. Saturn, the sixth planet from the Sun, is known for its stunning rings and is a gas giant composed mostly of hydrogen and helium. With no solid surface like Earth, it is the second largest planet in our solar system, with a diameter of about 72,366 miles, 116,464 kilometers, large enough to fit over 760 Earths inside. Saturn's most distinctive feature is its stunning rings, made of ice and rock particles, stretching thousands of miles from the planet. Saturn also has over 80 known moons, with Titan being the largest. Titan, larger than Mercury, has a thick atmosphere and lakes of liquid methane, making it a fascinating subject for scientific study. Saturn's low density means it could float in water if there were a large enough body. It rotates quickly, completing a spin in about 10.7 hours, causing it to have a flattened shape at the poles and a bulging equator. Its upper atmosphere experiences some of the strongest winds in the solar system, reaching speeds of up to 1,100 miles per hour, 1,800 kilometers per hour. The Cassini-Huygens mission, which explored Saturn and its rings from 2004 to 2017, provided stunning images and crucial data. Scientists are excited to further study Saturn, especially its intriguing moon Titan, which may have conditions suitable for life. Unlike rocky Earth, Saturn's gas composition, iconic rings, and many moons make it one of the most fascinating planets in our solar system. Uranus, the seventh planet from the Sun, is known for its blue-green color and is classified as an ice giant, composed mainly of water, ammonia, and methane ice, unlike Jupiter and Saturn, the gas giants. With a diameter of about 31,518 miles, 50,724 kilometers, Uranus is the third largest planet in our solar system, 4 times wider than Earth. Uranus is famous for its unusual rotation, spinning on its side with a 98-degree tilt, causing extreme seasons and unique weather patterns. This sideways tilt makes it appear to roll like a ball as it orbits the Sun. Uranus also has a faint ring system and 27 known moons, including Titania and Oberon. Uranus has a blue-green color due to methane in its atmosphere, which absorbs red light and reflects blue. It's one of the coldest planets in the solar system, with average temperatures around -370 degrees Fahrenheit, -224 degrees Celsius. Discovered by William Herschel in 1781, Uranus was the first planet found using a telescope. Voyager 2 is the only spacecraft to visit Uranus, flying by in 1986 and providing stunning images and data. Scientists are eager to learn more about Uranus and are hopeful for future missions to study its atmosphere, rings, and moons. Unlike Earth, Uranus is an ice giant with a thick gaseous atmosphere, unique rotation, and vibrant color, making it one of the most fascinating planets in our solar system. Neptune, the eighth and farthest planet from the Sun, is an ice giant with a vibrant blue color, made up of water, ammonia, and methane. With a diameter of about 30,598 miles, 49,244 kilometers, it is the fourth largest planet in our solar system, slightly smaller than Uranus but more massive. Neptune's stunning blue hue comes from methane in its atmosphere, which absorbs red light and reflects blue. Known for the strongest winds in the solar system, reaching speeds of up to 1,500 miles per hour, 2,400 kilometers per hour, Neptune experiences incredible storms and dynamic weather patterns. Neptune has a faint ring system made of ice and dust particles and 14 known moons, with Triton being the largest and uniquely orbiting in the opposite direction of Neptune's rotation. One of the coldest planets, Neptune has average temperatures around -392 degrees Fahrenheit -238 degrees Celsius, with an atmosphere primarily composed of hydrogen, helium, and methane. Discovered in 1846, Neptune was the first planet found through mathematical predictions, marking a major milestone in astronomy. The only spacecraft to visit Neptune, Voyager 2, flew by in 1989, capturing stunning images and revealing its atmosphere, rings, and moons for the first time. Scientists are eager to study Neptune further, with future missions being discussed to explore its atmosphere, rings, and the unique moon Triton. Unlike Earth's rocky surface, Neptune is an ice giant with a thick gaseous atmosphere, vibrant color, and extreme weather, making it one of the most intriguing planets in our solar system.